Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the viral infections and the secondary attack. So looking at the chickenpox, this has a secondary attack rate of about 85%. So it is very high, that is 85%. Next one, you look at measles. It is over 90%. So what about mumps? Mumps is about 86%. Next, going to rubella. Rubella, it amounts to about 90%. Next, we look at the erythema infectiosum. Erythema infectiosum. So erythema infectiosum, the secondary attack rate is about 10 to 60%. Now we are looking at infectious mononucleosis. So under this, the secondary attack rate is about 10 to 20%.